Hello YouTube, it's the Faceless Foodie. Join me today as we make yellow Thai chicken curry. Before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification buttons to catch all my future videos. Now let's begin. The first ingredient you'll need is 3 tablespoonfuls of Ploy brand curry paste. You can find this in any Asian grocery store. It has many ingredients including garlic, lemongrass, salt, shallot, dried red chili, coriander, cumin, and curry powder, just to name a few. Next, you'll need 1 can or 400 milliliters of coconut milk. I prefer the Chow Chow brand. Next, you'll need 1 tablespoonful of fish sauce, which is a very popular ingredient in Southeast Asian cuisine. It has a very strong and pungent odor, but it adds so much flavor to any dish. It is made up of anchovy extract, salt, water, fructose, and hydrolyzed vegetable protein. You'll also need 1 tablespoonful of sugar. First, cut roughly 4 potatoes into medium-sized cubes. Next, slice up roughly 4 carrots. Then dice up half an onion into large chunks. Next, cut up 1 large chicken breast into thin slices. Using a large pan, heat up roughly 3 tablespoonfuls of vegetable oil. Add in the Ploy yellow curry paste and mix. Next, shake up the can of coconut milk and add it to the pan. Continue to stir regularly. Add in the chicken and vegetables and continue to stir. Using that same can of coconut milk, add water to the halfway mark, swirl it around, and add it to your pot. Bring the pan to a boil, then reduce the heat so it can simmer. Cover and cook for roughly 15 minutes. Next, add the sugar, and then the fish sauce. Stir well for roughly 1 minute, and then turn off the heat. Now your food is ready to serve. So this is the final product. Tell me how your version turned out. I'd love to hear. Thanks for checking out my channel. Be sure to like and subscribe to catch all of my future videos. Till next time.